I have discovered the convenience and versatility of the tote bag. And let me tell you, once you go tote, you never go back. Okay, sorry. Today, I want to share with you my go-to EDC tote and everything I carry inside. I've never really seen any videos on EDC tech totes, so here's one for you. I've been getting into carrying totes over the last couple of years just because of the convenience. First up, the Tote. There are many different ones that I currently own and can switch in between, but this is the one that I currently use the most. This beauty was acquired on a trip to San Francisco, and it's been my trusty sidekick ever since. With 2 exterior pockets, 3 interior pockets, and plenty of space in the main compartment, it's the perfect size for my everyday needs. But let's face it, totes can be a bit of a black hole for your belongings. That's why I use a handy little organizer pouch to keep everything in its place. The Bellroy Classic pouch has 3 different pockets for easy organization and doesn't add any sort of unnecessary bulk to my tote. I've got my MacBook charger, a small power bank, and other daily essentials all neatly tucked away in there. Speaking of my MacBook, it's become my constant companion ever since I upgraded to the 14-inch M2 Max MacBook Pro. I literally take this thing with me everywhere now. I mean, who needs a desk when you have a portable powerhouse like this? I do. I still have a desk and a large monitor. But that's besides the point. To keep my baby safe and sound, I use a TomTalk 360 protective laptop sleeve that I purchased from Amazon. As always, I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. It's like a suit of armor for my laptop with edge and corner protection, and a clever design that keeps the zippers from scratching the MacBook. Now let's get to the fun stuff. I always have a notebook on hand that I call my task journal for jotting down ideas, making lists, and keeping track of daily habits. There's just something about writing things down analog that makes them feel more real. I retain information a lot more easier and recall them more consistently and accurately compared to if I were to write them down on, let's say, a digital app like Apple Notes. When I'm not writing in my notebook, I'm probably reading on my Kindle. It's a bibliophile's dream come true with the ability to store hundreds of books in one slim device. Plus, the e-ink is very easy on the eyes and perfect for reading in any sort of lighting. And finally, let's talk about organization, or more organization at least. I use the exterior pockets on my tote for things like I want to stash quickly, things like receipts. In the interior, my keys go in one pocket, my wallet, chapstick, and AirPods in another, and the third pocket is free for whatever things that I accumulate during the day. And just in case I need an extra bag, I always have a reusable packable tote stashed away. Toteception! Thanks for joining me on this tour of my EDC tech tote. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for all the products mentioned. If you're looking for even more EDC inspiration, be sure to check out my favorite key organizer from Orbitkey. Until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.